Hi guys, welcome back to another recipe video. So I thought it would be fun to show you a sandwich recipe using our popular 2-ingredient quinoa bread. So I'm going to do a basic summary of how to make the bread first, and then I'll show you a hummus recipe that I really like. It is lemony and garlicky and super rich in nutrients, so I hope you like this one, folks. And it's really great for taking with you for lunch or just any time you feel like a sandwich. Okay, so let's get our cup of quinoa and cup of water. This on its own makes a very plain but still tasty bread, but I like to jazz it up just a little with some agave nectar, thyme, and sea salt. So you can blend that and pour onto a parchment paper covered pan. And we'll bake that in the oven for 15 minutes. And while it's cooking is the perfect amount of time to make this hummus recipe. So first we'll drain a can of chickpeas. I like to buy no salt added, and throw that into a blender or a food processor or a NutriBullet, which is super difficult to make hummus with, but that's all I have. And we'll add sunflower seeds, lemon juice, soy sauce, dill weed, garlic powder, and water. That's it. Give that a blend. So most hummus recipes will use tahini, which is butter made from sesame seeds, which are super healthy, but I really like to add sunflower seeds to whatever I can because they're so packed with nutrients, especially vitamin E, which is important for your skin and neutralizing free radicals in the body. Okay, so hummus turned out really nice. And our bread now needs to be flipped over, so you can do that and bake it for another 5 to 10 minutes. I'm in a new house with a new oven, and I realized that this oven is actually really good compared to my last one. And so I ended up over baking the bread just a bit. It probably only needed 5 minutes, and I put it in for 10. So, you know, depending on your oven, more or less. But still, it tasted very good, and so we'll add our hummus to the slices and top with cucumber, tomato, and pepper, and sea salt. And there we go, guys. This is a nice whole food sandwich that is high in micronutrients and balanced in macronutrients, so it'll be filling and energizing for long after you eat it. Thanks for tuning in today, guys. If you'd like more healthy vegan recipes, you can hop on over to our website and check out our weight loss meal plans, free starter guide, recipes, and articles. I hope you have a wonderful day ahead, and I'll see you soon. Bye!